Hai, Assalamualaikum. Good morning to all students. Okay, video ini adalah video rakaman daripada cikgu memandangkan cikgu terlibat dengan pengawasan SPM. Okay, walaupun cikgu terlibat dengan pengawasan SPM, okay, awak punya online class tetap boleh berjalan. Ya. Okay, so hari ini kita akan masuk new topic which is algebraic formula. Alright. Okay, actually this topic, okay, chapter 3, algebraic formula are continuation from the previous topic, okay, which is chapter 2. Chapter 2, you have learned about algebraic fractions, you have learned about factorization, okay, and you have learned about expansion of algebraic. Okay, so this one is the continuation, all right. So it is easy if you have already know and you have master for chapter 2, okay. Okay, in 3.1, okay, you will cover about algebraic formula. This one is actually, this chapter actually involve one subtopic sahaja, okay, which is algebraic formula. It is very short topic, all right. Alright, algebraic expression is the combination of two or more algebraic terms, okay, and this one, okay, you have learned in previous topic, okay, the combination of two or more algebraic terms, okay. So the algebraic formula combined an algebraic expression, okay. What is algebraic formula? Algebraic formula is it's combined the algebraic expression using okay, it's combined. The algebraic formula is combined algebraic expression using addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Okay, and is written in the form of equation. Okay, itu yang bezanya dengan chapter 2 yang awak dah belajar sebelum ni. Okay, so dalam algebraic expression tu kita combine dan menggunakan addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, and dan kita tulis dalam bentuk equation. Okay, itu yang dinamakan algebraic formula. Okay, now look at your textbook. Okay, the learning standard for this one is to write formula based on a situation. Okay, when it gives you a situation, you can write the formula. Okay, now look at cognitive stimulation. Okay, in your textbook, okay, the aim is to form algebraic formula. Alright, now look at this one. A cultural club will perform at school level cultural night. Okay, the table shows the number of dancers according to the types of dance and race represented by an alphabet. Okay, so here you have the types of dance: sumazau, kuda kepang, and lion. Okay, itu nama-nama tarian lah. Okay, and here you have the race that involved in this performance. Okay, which is Malay, Chinese, and Indian. Okay, and it is represented, okay, bilangan Malay yang terlibat dengan sumazau is A, and then bilangan Chinese yang terlibat dengan sumazau 2C, Indian 2A, and so on. Okay, this one is the bilangan yang terlibat, okay, dalam that performance. Alright. Okay, so now what you have to do is, okay, write a formula. Okay, write a formula for each of the following subject. Kat sini dia guna perkataan subject. So, subject, apa dia subject? Subject, we refer to the subject formula. Maksudnya kita nak dapatkan equation. Okay, for example, this one you want S, the number of Chinese dancers. Okay, so what you have to do is, okay, Chinese dancers, so you will, okay, what you will do is you will sum up all this value. Okay, so the formula that you write, or the equation that you write for the number of Chinese dancers is equals to S equals to 2C plus B plus 3A. Okay, this one is known as formula, okay, algebraic formula. And S is the subject formula, alright. And subject formula normally we put at it in front or on the left of the equation. And the coefficient must be 1. So there will no 2s, 4s as the subject formula. It must be 1, coefficient is 1, alright. Alright, look at B, okay, you want D, the number of kuda kepang. Okay, D is the number of kuda kepang dances. So to find the kuda kepang, so you look at this row for the kuda kepang. So D is equals to, what you have to do is you have to sum up all this value. You have to B plus B plus 5B. Okay, and alright, what you have to simplify, you have to solve this one because you can simplify all the like terms. So D is equals to 2B plus B is 3B, 3B plus 5B is 8B. So D is equals to 8B. Okay, awak tak boleh tinggalkan equation tu dalam bentuk yang tak belum diselesaikan. Okay, yang mana like terms you can add up or you can subtract, you have to do it. Okay, you have to solve it. Okay, so that's one is what we known as subject formula. D is the subject formula, and that equation is known as algebraic formula. Alright. Okay, now look at example 1. Susie sold 2 types of cakes of different price. The chocolate cake sold at 3 ringgit. Okay, when you read this question that involve a paragraph, okay, you have to take out the information. Okay, okay, so you read carefully and you take out what info that involved in this paragraph. Okay, Susie sold 2 types of cake. So dia ada jual 2 types of cake, 2 types of cakes. Alright. And then, okay, with different price. Okay, these 2 types of cake have different price. The chocolate cake, so yang pertama itu adalah chocolate cake, sold at 3 ringgit a slice. Okay, ini adalah information yang ada. 2 types of cakes, so mesti akan ada 2 variables here. Alright, and then 2 chocolate cakes. Okay, sorry, the chocolate cake sold at RM3 a slice means that this one is price for chocolate cake. Alright, and then apa lagi yang ada dalam ni? The cheesecake. Okay, it also have cheesecake. So the 2 types of cake here is chocolate cake and cheesecake. Okay, sold at twice the price of chocolate cake. So, do you know what is the price of cheesecake? The price of cheesecake, okay, I write here, price of cheesecake. Okay. Given that the price is twice the price of chocolate cake. Chocolate cake is RM3 a slice. So, kalau twice, 2 times RM3. Okay, 2 times RM3, therefore the price of cheesecake is RM6. Okay, so you read and you take out the important information. Alright. Okay, next. In conjunction with the opening of a new branch, she gave 10%. Okay, another information here is 10% discounts for all cakes. Determine the formula to calculate the selling of the cake. Okay, sekarang ni soalan nak apa? Soalan nak awak determine the formula to calculate the selling price of the cake. Berapa banyak yang dia jual? Dia jual n slice of chocolate cake, n slice of cheesecake was sold. Alright, so now you have to understand, okay, this problem, and then you have to construct the equation. Okay, so how to construct the equation? Alright. Okay, So based on the information given, okay, we want to know the total selling price. Okay, calculate the selling price of the cake. So maksudnya kita kena tambah dua-dua hasil jualan untuk chocolate cake and cheesecake. Alright, so berapa chocolate cake yang dia jual? Dia jual M chocolate cake. Darab dengan, you have to multiply by the price. Okay, normally when you want to do calculation involving algebraic, as I said before, no need to put the unit so that you not confused. Alright. Here you have 3, RM3, a slice for chocolate cake. But here you have to be careful. You have 10% discount. 10% discount means that dia kena tolak 10%. Means tinggal lagi 90%. So times 90%. Okay, 90%. Kenapa 90%? Because dia ada discount 10%. So harga yang tinggal is 90%. Alright, and then this one for chocolate cake. And then plus. Okay, plus. Berapa slice untuk cheesecake? Cheesecake have n slice. Okay, n slice of the cake. Okay, of the cheesecake, and then multiplied by the price is, just now we have calculate, the price is 6 ringgit. And then multiply 90% because all cakes are sold at discount price. Okay, so 90%. Okay, this one you just come out with the mathematics sentence. Okay, and this one is not equation yet. Okay, so how to make it as an equation is you kena tambah apa dia punya subject formula. Subject formula here, it wants the selling price of the cake. Selling price of the cake. So you can substitute, you can represent it with any letter other than M and N, because M and N dah ada dalam this equation. For example, I put it here as S. Okay, it's actually up to you. Okay, yang sesuai. Tipsnya awak tengoklah kat sini selling price sama ada awak nak ambil S or awak nak ambil P. Okay, or other letters can be used. Alright. Okay, so now how to solve this equation, because this one is not yet in the final answer. Alright, you have to simplify it. Alright, that you have learned in previous chapter. Alright, in previous lesson you have learned how to simplify it. Alright, now to make it easy, okay, you look at here, you have 90% here and you also have 90% here. So you use the arithmetic law that you have learned in Form 1. Okay, what we can do here is we can take out the 90%. Okay, what we can do here, kita boleh keluarkan 90% tu dan kita gunakan law untuk arithmetic law. Okay, I show you how to solve it. Alright, here you have 90% is 0.9. Okay, 90% is 0.9. Alright, and then M times 3 is 3M. Okay, M times 3 is 3M. Okay, plus N times 6 is 6M. Okay, alright, so lebih mudah kita gunakan efficient calculation. Okay, efficient calculation that you have learned in Form 1. Alright, okay, otherwise you can directly multiply lah, 90% times 3, you can find the value. Alright, okay, I just show you how you can apply the your prior knowledge. Alright, here you have S equals to 0.9. Okay, now we expand this one. Okay, we expand here. Okay, what we have now is 0.9 multiplied by 3M. It is 2.7M plus 0.9 times 6. What is 0.9 times 6? Okay, 0.9 times 6 is 5.4. Okay, 5.4 n. Oh, sorry, here I wrongly write here n. Okay, here is n. Okay, so this one is the formula. Okay, formula for the selling price of the cake. Okay, that's all. You just, okay, come out with a algebraic expression and then you make it as a formula. Okay, letakkan S itu sebagai subject formula. Okay, dan pastikan normally kita letakkan subject formula on the left. Okay, itu cara yang betul, bukannya kita letak on the right. Okay, boleh, cuma itu bukanlah cara yang betul. Alright. Now we look at 3.1.2, changing the subject of formula. In 3.1.1, you have learned how to write a formula, okay, based on the subject formula given. Alright. Kita akan tengok, okay, apa dia, okay, macam mana kita nak change the subject formula. Alright, look at here. The subject formula can be a variable for the algebraic formula and the variable can be subject of an algebraic formula. Apa maksudnya tu? Alright. Okay. Baca, pusing, pening baca apa dia, apa-apa tak faham. Alright. Okay, now kita tengok dia dalam example yang dia bagi kat sini, diagram yang ada di sini. Alright. You have a isosceles triangle. Okay, you have isosceles triangle. Okay, given that this side is B, this side is B, and this one is A. Alright. So here given the perimeter. Perimeter P. Sekarang dia guna subject formula dia sebagai P. P nak P huruf besar ke huruf kecil tak kisah. Okay, tapi normally kita akan gunakan untuk subject formula kita selalunya kita guna huruf besar lah. Okay, tapi bergantung pada tengok pada soalan tu macam mana. Alright. Okay. Perimeter of an equilateral. This one is not equilateral. Salah ni textbook. Textbook pun ada buat silap ya, biasalah. Okay. This one is isosceles. Okay. Equilateral tu kena side dia kena sama kan. Alright. So this one is isosceles. Bukan equilateral. Isosceles. Okay. Isosceles triangle can be expressed in A and B. Okay. Kalau kita nak tuliskan dia punya perimeter in terms of algebraic formula is P equals to A plus 2B to find the perimeter. Okay, so kita boleh tukarkan the subject formula based on the variable yang ada dalam this formula. Okay, ataupun yang ada dalam this equation. Alright, so the subject formula of the equation above can be changed as shown. Okay, awak tengok kat sini dia bagi, dia tukar kepada subject formula A. Alright, dia nak tukar pada A. So dia dekat sini asalnya, okay, P equals to A plus 2B. Now, dia nak jadikan A sebagai subject formula. So apa yang dilakukan is A equals to, okay, actually here B dia bawa ke left hand side. Okay, so dia akan jadi P minus 2B. This one you apply back what you have learned in Form 1. Okay, there are 3 methods, backtracking methods, equality concept and another one, backtracking, try and improvement. Okay, tapi sekarang ni kita akan apply equality concept. Okay. Okay, now look at example 2. Okay, look at example 2. State M as the subject of formula. Okay, macam soalan A ni. Okay, soalan A. Alright, Q is the subject formula. Okay, Q equals to M plus P. So, sekarang ni kita nak tukarkan supaya M itu adalah subject formula. Okay, soalan ni minta M as the subject formula. Okay, satu tips yang cikgu akan bagi. Okay, awak nak dapatkan M as the subject formula, sekarang M on the right hand side. Okay, supaya awak tak confuse. Okay, awak bawakan, awak tukar dulu kedudukan. Okay, kedudukan untuk this equation. Dia akan jadi M plus P equals to Q. Kita tukar dulu semua kedudukan dia dengan tidak menukarkan simbol. Alright. Okay, now baru kita akan tukar kedudukan untuk yang kita tak nak on the left hand side. Okay, so kat sini tinggal M equals to Q minus P. Kenapa cikgu suruh tukar dulu supaya awak tak tersilap dia punya simbol tu lah nanti macam mana positif and negatif tu. Alright. So ini adalah jawapan untuk A. Now look at B. Okay. Given given B equals to 2S minus M. Okay, sekarang ni jangan tukar. Sebab apa cikgu kata jangan tukar kedudukan? Tadi A tadi cikgu kata tukar kedudukan dia. Okay, sekarang ni awak tengok. Untuk B ini, koefisien M is negative. Okay, koefisien M is negative. Depan M tu ada negatif. So kita jangan tukar macam kita buat soalan A tadi. Bila ada negatif, tak perlu tukar kedudukan dia. Okay, kita cuma akan tukar yang kita nak sebagai subject formula sahaja. So apa yang akan jadi kat sini? M plus B equals to 2S. Okay, so kat sini apa yang ada? Apa yang ada kat sini is B tu kita tak ubah lagi. Okay, B masih pada left hand side. M tu yang kita bawa supaya dia jadi positif. Okay, yang tadi A tadi cikgu tunjuk, kita nak ubah semua kedudukan dia. Yang left akan berada di right and right will be on the left. So kita tak akan change the signs in front. Kita tak akan change the operation. Tapi kalau kita tukar one by one, macam yang cikgu tunjuk dalam question B ini, dia akan melibatkan pertukaran simbol. Alright. Okay, kita belum selesai lagi untuk B because kita nak M as the subject formula. So M equals to 2S minus B. Okay, this one is the answer. Okay, if you want to change it into M as the subject formula. Alright, now look at next example, example C. Given A equals to 5 over 2M. Tadi awak tengok macam mana bila keadaan M dia positif. M tu positif duduk belah kanan yang A. Lepas tu awak tengok bila M tu asal dia negatif yang dia duduk belah kanan. Now M dia dalam fraction. Dia dalam fraction and dia ada pada bahagian denominator, bahagian bawah. So how to solve, macam mana nak selesaikan ini? Okay, awak gunakan cross multiply. Okay, cross multiply. Okay, cikgu tunjukkan apa yang cikgu masukkan dengan cross multiply. A ni actually over 1. Okay, yang awak dah belajar konsep dia masa form 1. Okay, A is actually over 1. Alright, now kita cross multiply. Cross multiply maksudnya yang denominator yang sebelah kiri ni akan darab dengan numerator sebelah kanan. Okay, dan denominator yang sebelah kanan akan darab dengan numerator sebelah kiri. Okay, alright. So, here it will be 2M times A. Ataupun kita boleh terus tulis sebagai, okay, bila darab 2M times A, awak dah belajar dalam expansion. Okay, 2AM equals to 5 times 1 is 5. Okay, now kita tinggalkan on the left hand side cuma ada M sahaja. So macam mana? Okay, M equals to 5 over, because on the left hand side 2A is multiplied by M. Bila bawa ke right hand side dia akan jadi divide. Okay, yang ni dah belajar dah belajar. Okay, konsep ini dah belajar dalam rational number. So the answer is M equals to 5 over 2A. Alright, next example D. Given T equals to M minus N over negative 3. Alright, now. Okay, sekarang apa yang kita perlu buat? Kita perlu cross multiply. Okay, sebelum tu cikgu tambah dulu supaya awak nampak kenapa dia akan jadi macam tu. Alright. So yang ni cross multiply. Okay, apa yang ada di sini is negative 3t. Okay, negative 3t because times negative 3 times t. And then equals to M minus N. Okay, M minus N. Okay, sekarang ni kita akan susun semula. Okay, macam kita buat dalam example A. Sebab sekarang ni yang on the right hand side, M itu positif. So kita akan transfer, tukarkan semua kedudukan dia tanpa ubah operation. Okay. Kemudian barulah kita tulis M as the subject formula. M equals to negative 3T plus N. Okay, that one is the answer. Or normally yang positif kita akan letak sebelah depan. Okay, kita boleh tulis semula this formula dengan lebih tepat N minus 3T. Okay. So answer sampai sini pun dah cukup. Tapi untuk awak dapatkan jawapan yang lebih tepat, okay, letakkan yang positif tu depan bahagian depan. Alright. Okay, now we look at example 3. Okay. Awak boleh tengoklah dalam textbook dia dah bagi bahagian yang kotak-kotak ni yang ni awak boleh refer. Okay, apa maksud dia, apa maksud dia. Okay. Alright, cikgu tak akan explain further that one. Okay, dia akan terus fokuskan pada example. Okay. Okay, in example 3, state P as the subject formula. Okay, apa beza dia dengan question example 2 tadi? Okay, bezanya tadi dia tak ada square root and cube root ni. Okay, so dalam example 3 ni dia bagi example yang melibatkan square root, cube and cube root. Okay, now look at A. Q equals to square root P. You want P as the subject formula. Okay, alright. Yang awak kena apply apa yang awak dah belajar dalam form 1. Cikgu ulang balik apa yang bila cikgu cakap tu dia mesti ada kaitan dengan tajuk-tajuk yang dah belajar. Dia integrate dengan topik-topik yang lain. Alright, yang awak dah belajar semasa form 1 ataupun yang dalam previous topik. Alright. So kat sini macam mana kita nak hilangkan square root P tu? Macam mana nak hilangkan tanda square root? Kita akan squarekan dia. Alright. Bila belah kanan kita dah square, kita kena apply the equality concept. Okay, equality concept maksudnya sebelah kanan kita square, sebelah kiri pun kita kena squarekan dia. So kat sini apa yang kita akan dapat is Q square is equals to P. Okay, dan kita tunjuk dalam bentuk yang betul P equals to Q square. Alright, now for question B, okay, S equals to P square. Tadi square root, kita nak hilangkan square root. Sekarang ni kita nak hilangkan square. Jadi kita akan buat apa? Kita akan square rootkan dia. Bila square rootkan sebelah kanan, sebelah kiri pun ikut kena square root. Alright, so square root S is equals to P. Alright, so P equals to square root S. Okay, P equals to square root S. This one is the answer. Alright, next example C. W equals to square root P over 3. Okay, so macam mana ni? Sama je, kita apply konsep yang sama. Kita nak kena hilangkan dulu square root tu. Sebab sekarang P tu ada square root. So kita kena hilangkan that square root. Okay, so kita akan squarekan this one. This one also will be square. Alright, so answer here we get W square is equals to P over 3. Okay, P over 3. Okay, sebab 3 pun ada dalam square root. Okay, P pun ada dalam square root. Kalau, 3 pun ada dalam square root. Kalau 3 tak ada dalam square root, for example dia bagi square root P over 3, yang ni kita kena squarekan dia, so yang ni akan jadi 9. Alright, so you have to be careful. Okay, you have to be careful for that one. Alright, okay, we're not finished yet. Okay, so here cross multiply will be 3W square is equals to P, and then we write P as the subject formula on the left hand side. So, okay, P is equals to 3W square. Alright, this one is the answer for subject formula P. Alright, and then you can try for D. Alright, you can refer to your textbook and try. Okay. Alright, now 3.1.3. Determine the value. We want to determine the value. So the learning standard here is we want to know, we want to determine the value of a variable when the value of another variable is given. Kalau kita dah tahu, okay, kita dah tahu salah satu variable value dia, then kita boleh cari untuk value yang lain. Alright, itu gunanya untuk apa yang awak dah belajar 3.1.1 and 3.1.2. Alright, now the value of subject formula can be obtained when all variable value are given. Okay, alright. Kita nak cari berapa value untuk subject formula. Alright, kalau kita dah tahu value variable yang lain. On the other hand, the value of variable, okay, the value of variable can be obtained when the value of subject formula and variable is given. Apa maksudnya ni? Jom kita tengok dalam example 4. Dalam example 4, it is given W is equals to 70 minus 5U. Calculate the following. We want to calculate this one. Okay, kita nak tahu value W. Dalam A ni dia nak tahu value W. Okay, value untuk A, W equals to 70 minus 5U. Okay, 70 minus 5U. Dan dia dah bagi T equals to 3, U equals to negative 2. So kita just substitute the value, okay? Substitute maksudnya awak gantikan value yang dia dah bagi dalam equation ini. Alright. So T is 3 minus 5U, U is negative 2. Alright. So W is equals to 21 plus, okay? Because negative times negative plus 10. Therefore W is equals to 31. Okay, ini yang maksudnya bila dia dah bagi value variable yang lain, kita boleh cari value untuk subject formula. Alright, untuk B, kita nak cari T. T sekarang ni bukannya subject formula. Okay, T is not the subject formula. W yang subject formula. Tapi dalam this question, it already given you the value of W and U. Okay, rewrite the equation. Okay, so then you substitute the value. Okay, you substitute the value. W is 15 is equals to 70. Okay, you want to know you do not know the value T. Sekarang kita nak cari value T. Minus 5U. 5U, U is 4. Alright, then calculate. Okay, so here is 15 is equal to 70 minus 20. Alright. Okay, so macam mana ni? Apply balik apa yang cikgu dah ajar dalam example 3 and 4, okay, example 2 and 3, kita akan ubah dulu. Okay, 70 minus 20 is equals to 15. Okay, 70 is equals to 15 plus 20. Kenapa plus? Because kita bawa negative 20 to the right hand side. Okay, we apply the equality concept, right? Okay, so here we have 35. Kita kena cari T. So T is equals to 35 divided by 7. T is equals to 5. Okay, itu sahaja. Senang sahaja kalau awak mahir dalam konsep-konsep yang awak dah pernah belajar dalam sebelum ni. Apa yang terlibat kat sini is algebraic expression. Apa lagi yang terlibat, awak kena tahu about integer. Okay, make sure kalau siapa yang masalah dalam integer, awak cari balik, cuba study balik about integer. Sebab ini awak akan apply balik macam mana bila masa dia jadi positif, bila masa jadi negatif. Alright. Okay, now we look at example 5. Given M equals to 1 over 4 in bracket P minus Q squared. Okay, P minus Q squared in the bracket, calculate the value Q. You want value Q. If M is equals to 16 and P equals to 3. Ada banyak cara yang awak boleh apply, ikut kefahaman awak, ikut balik apa yang knowledge awak yang awak tahu sebelum ni ya. Okay. So macam mana pun jalan kerja dia, pastikan gunakan konsep yang betul. Okay, cikgu tunjukkan salah satu cara lah. M equals to 1 over 4 P minus Q squared. Alright. Dekat sini, kita boleh terus substitute. Okay, salah tulis ni. Okay. Q square. Alright, kat sini kita boleh terus substitute. Okay, substitute dulu value-value yang ada kat sini. Alright, so kat sini apa yang kita ada? Kita ada 16. M equals to 16. Okay, M equals to 16. Kemudian kita ada okay, 1 over 4 in bracket P. P equals to 3 minus Q squared. Alright. Okay. Now, apa yang kita boleh buat? Kita boleh simplify this one. Kita tak nak yang ada fraction ni. Kita nak boleh simplify. So, all this one, you have to multiply by 4. Okay. Bila on the left, on the right, kita dah darab dengan 4. Okay. This one also you have to multiply with 4. Okay. Right. Kenapa kita nak multiply dengan 4? Because we want to simplify this one. Okay. So, hilangkan 4 over 4 yang on the right hand side. Alright. So, 16 times 4 is 64. 64 equals to, so kat sini yang tinggal is 3 minus Q squared. Tadi kita dah hilangkan over 4. Now kita nak hilangkan square. So, macam mana nak hilangkan square? Macam mana nak hilangkan square? Kita akan tambah square root. Okay, so here pun kena tambah square root. Alright. So square root of 64 is 8. So 8 is equals to 3 minus Q. Hilang dah square tu because kita dah square root. Alright. Okay, now apa yang ada dalam this equation? Negative Q. Okay, yang sebelah kanan tu ialah negative Q. Ingat balik apa yang cikgu dah tunjuk dalam example sebelum ni. Yang mana negatif, kita tak perlu ubah secara keseluruhan. Kita ubah Q tu sahaja on the left hand side. So dia akan jadi Q plus 8 equals to 3. And then Q is equals to 3 minus 8. So akan dapat negative 5. So Q is equals to negative 5. Alright. Okay, you have to try many example. Okay, I will give you an exercise so that you can try and you will fahamilah konsep yang cikgu dah ajar ni. Yeah. Alright, the last part for this chapter 3.1.4 is solving problems. Okay, kita nak solve problem yang involve formula. Alright, look at example 6. The price of fried chicken. Wow, fried chicken. Okay, the price of fried chicken at school canteen is twice the price of bun. Okay, so sekarang ada dua benda. Satu fried chicken, satu lagi bun. Alright, with RM5, Azman bought 2 buns and a piece of chicken. Okay, Azman ada RM5. Dia boleh beli, okay, 2 buns and a piece of fried chicken. Lepas tu, RM5 ni, the balance is RM1. Okay, the balance is RM1 is safe. Okay, kena fahamkan bila problem solving ni, kena fahamkan this situation. Okay, fahamkan betul-betul dan cuba dapatkan the equation, algebraic equation. Alright, okay. So, kita akan cuba untuk come out with the equation. Alright, ataupun kita come out with the formula. Alright, so kita gunakan let price of fried chicken. Sebab sekarang kita ada fried chicken ya. Price of fried chicken is equals to X. Kita tak tahu kan berapa price untuk fried chicken. Kita letakkan sebagai X. And then price of apa satu lagi? Bun. Price of bun is equals to twice the price of bun. Oh, so yang mana satu ni? Cuba fahamkan. Price of fried chicken at school twice the price of bun. So kalau bun tu ialah X, so price of fried chicken is 2X. Okay? Betul tak ni? Cuba fahamkan semula this sentence. Okay, the price of fried chicken at school canteen is twice the price of bun. Okay, betul lah tu, price of bun X. So the price of fried chicken is 2X. Okay, Azman bought 2 buns. Okay, so sekarang kita nak buat satu equation. Okay, Azman bought 2 buns. 2 bun maksudnya 2 times X, 2X. Ini untuk buns. Plus a piece of fried chicken. Satu fried chicken harga dia 2X. Okay. Okay. 2X yang depan tu maksudnya untuk 2 piece of buns. Okay. Sebab dia beli 2 piece. Okay. Dua biji buns. And then satu lagi untuk fried chicken. Yang dia beli fried chicken is 1 piece. 1 piece is 2X. Alright. Berapa harga dia? Berapa total dia? Okay. Dia ada RM5, RM5. Dan dia have balance. Balance maksudnya ada lebih lagi RM1. Okay. So this equation yang kita akan dapat. Okay. 4x is equals to 4. X equals to RM1 lah. Okay. Alright. Tengok balik pada soalan dia. If Azman have RM12 and decide to buy the same number of buns, how many pieces of fried chickens will he able to buy? Okay, so macam mana ni? Okay, tadi kita dah dapat dah pun value X itu. So value X is RM. Sorry, tak boleh tulis sini tulis kat bawah. Okay, because this one you have to show full workings with details, right? Dengan teratur, dengan systematic. Alright, so price of bun is equals to RM1. And then price of fried chicken is equals to 2X. So maksudnya RM2. Okay. So sekarang ni dia ada apa? Dia kata dia ada RM12. Okay. Dia ada RM12 dan decide to buy the same number of buns. Okay. Maksudnya macam mana ni? Okay. Dia ada RM12. Okay. Dia minuskan dengan dia beli berapa bun? Tadi dia beli 2 bun. Okay. Dia beli 2 bun. So 2 bun is RM2. Alright. Okay. So sekarang ni dia nak tahu how many piece of chickens will he able to buy. Okay. Maksudnya daripada balance duit, dia ada RM12, tolak dengan dia beli bun. Berapa chicken yang dia boleh, fried chicken yang dia boleh beli. So you have to bahagilah. Okay, cikgu tunjuk dalam bentuk yang lebih mudah. Okay, divide by berapa ringgit untuk fried chicken? Fried chicken is 2. Okay, so equals to 12 minus 2. 2 is 10. 10 divided by 2 is 5. So 5 fried chicken. Okay. Itu dia jawapan dia. Okay. Okay. Macam yang cikgu cakap. Alright. Macam yang cikgu cakap, ada banyak cara awak boleh selesaikan. So awak gunakan your knowledge untuk solve this one. Okay. Okay. Alright. So, as usual, you have to do exercise. Okay. You have to do self practice 3.1. Okay. Sekarang ni cikgu akan pilih sahaja soalan-soalan yang tertentu. Sebab kalau tengok kat sini, terlalu banyak jugalah ni. Okay. Jadi, untuk question 1, awak buat soalan A and then D, E, H, I. So soalan 1 ni cuma buat 5 soalan saja. Nak buat lebih ikut tak ada masalah. Tapi inilah minimum yang awak perlu buat. Alright. So question 1 A, D, E, H, I. Alright. And then question 2 you have to do. Okay. Kemudian question 3. Question 3 ada beberapa soalan. Jadi awak ambil question A, question C, question E. Okay. Number 3 ni cuma buat A, C, E. Alright. And then question G. Okay. Okay. Question G kena buat, H tak payah buat. Alright. And then question 4 buat A and B. Okay. Itu adalah minimum. Cikgu ulang balik apa yang awak perlu buat. Self practice 3.1. A, D, E, H, I. Question 2 perlu buat. Question 3, A, C, E. Okay. Sorry, A, C, E, G. Okay, A, C, E, G. Okay, untuk question 3. Question 4, for A and for B. Okay, itu minimum. Sekurang-kurangnya yang awak perlu buat. Siapa yang rasa dia nak buat lebih, cikgu tak ada masalah. Awak boleh buat dan cikgu akan semak. Okay, seperti biasa awak hantar awak punya latihan dalam Google Classroom. Okay, so cikgu akan continue untuk next topic dalam video yang akan datang. Alright, bye.